And so the next one that I want to share with you is Rakuten. This is a platform as well, and what these guys do is essentially kind of like Commission Junction. They have a bunch of advertisers, and you can select different advertisers in different categories, industries, right, niches, and be able to promote their products as well. So let me show you how theirs looks. Okay, so here we can see we have several different categories that we can also use to promote different products in. We have financial services, food and drink, game and toys. Let's say over here we wanted to do hosting. Let's see what kind of options we have for hosting. So we have pure VPN, ultra services, and so all you got to do is go to apply, and most likely you'll get accepted right there on the spot. And then here we can see what the commission is. So $13 flat fee on all goods. This one is 70% last click commission on all goods, and this one is 42% last click commission on all goods.